Today we're gonna fix this. I will show you this USB charger, common for almost all the smartphones. So what we got here? Here we got an USB detached from the board. As you can see, it's pretty damaged. I will try to fix it. I mean, solder back again, desolder it, and trying to recover this USB or how to say, or solder the new one for this friend of mine which damaged, not purposely, of course. So you see, I already applied the flux on the contact. We'll try to do a nice and clean job. I'm using the fan because, as you can see, the flux is steaming hard. Okay, one pin is free. Let's do this other pin. Jeez, this thing is not properly stuck. One moment, thank you. Okay, better. Yeah, you're nice in focus. So one pin is gone and I see there's damage on the board. Holy shit. There's such not good news for my friend. I will try, by the way, to recover this device. It's a shame, throw it pollutioning and so on. Let me apply some flux. Yeah, that pin, I mean, the solder job broken, and with it took away the board itself, and that's not such a good news. Okay. I'm working with the open window because, as I told you before, the flux is steaming as fuck. So, couple of pins are free. They are all free, almost. Only a couple left. The still the ground. Let me see. If the board itself isn't too badly damaged, I will recover it. But as now, what I'm seeing is not. As you can see, there's a piece moved away from the board itself, so I don't know if it is possible to recover this device. Let's see. Nice and gentle, nice and gentle. Come on. I have such a pain in my arms. I'm working in the logistic of the Detached now, and I'm moving around weight. Today was a tough day. I pushed hard. Come on, baby, come on, nice. And this position is not that quite comfortable. Yeah, if the boards will move, that would be better for sure. But you know, you can't get everything what you want. I'm working with the tools which I have, and I'm trying to get the best from them. Yeah, there's a lot of soldering upon these. Little fucker. You know what? I will put some extra flux. That will make the job nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oops. Come on, you son of a... I will try to make this video shorter than 10 minutes. So there's some less than couple of minutes left. So let me see what we got here. Yeah, almost all the pins are free. Just, oops, my tweezers fault. Just a couple of fuckers are still connected. But we are patient, and we will make it just up in 10 minutes. If not, the bored one will be you, not of course me. Yeah, I must admit, working with the fan, it's some kind of crappy job because it's making my solder colder. What's wrong with you? Show me. I guess that for a damaged USB that will be enough. I will see if with my tweezers I can remove some of this crap. So 10 minutes and a half. Nobody's perfect. Almost there, by the way. Oh, it's perfect like this. Oh, it went. Nice. Now I will clean the pins. As you can see, it went nice and easy. Yeah, the board itself, as you can see, is quite damaged. The soldering detached the board itself, but I don't think that's unrecoverable. So now I will put in pause and I will go on with another video. See you later. Oops.